Alright guys, we are at the beginning of new week and probably you wondering what stocks to add in your investment portfolio. And in this case, I recommend you to pay attention to volatile but promising Virgin Galactic and Robinhood stocks. The first one got huge upside when Sky News reported yesterday that Branson's Virgin Atlantic is plotting a surprise flotation on the London Stock Exchange as it pins its hopes on a rapid rebound in transatlantic travel. This expectation of announcement will affect SPCE stock without any doubt because these companies are connected in some ways, so it's a good chance to speculate a little bit. And as for a Hood stock, last week's wild ride could be just the beginning if legions of amateur investors pull money from their old favorites to buy more shares. It's full of hype. Keep it in mind, Robinhood is the king of meme stocks at the moment. It's among the most actively traded companies, valued at more than $500 million, and Hood stock finished with a gain of 56.5% for the week. This madness is not over yet. You can buy this stock to make instant profit. Don't forget that both of these stocks are extremely volatile and you shouldn't put all your savings into these beasts. Promise me that you will be smart with your money. Have a nice day and subscribe to Buy or Die. Let's make money together.